Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Melissa, and this is my audition to qualify for the show Naked and Afraid. So I just want to take you guys through my day, my fitness plan, and my healthy eating habits, and all of that. So every morning I start my day at 4 a.m. I go jogging then from 4 till 5. And when I come back, I usually go to the gym from 5 till 6 a.m. And then I like to start my day with a smoothie. With some fruits and veggies, because we don't really eat unhealthy in this house. We never order takeaways. We always eat veggies, and we even cut out meat sometimes, chicken. Yeah, and then besides the smoothies, my day will then go on, and then when I come home at night, I usually have a whole workout routine. So Liam can tell them I run on the treadmill for 2 hours, and after the treadmill I do 30 push-ups. And then I do 30 push-ups, 30 sit-ups, 30 burpees, and a 10-minute plank, ne? You need must time me.
Yes.
10 minutes.
Yes.
10-minute plank. And I'm gonna cut out the laughing, no? And what else do I do? Tell the people, because we must sell the fitness so I can qualify.
So my mother, she does sit-ups, push-ups, burpees, and she does we have a yard, so sometimes she jogs around the yard. And then sometimes she does pull-ups.
In the doorway.
Yeah, she does pull-ups in the doorway, and yeah.
Okay, and you join me sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes I join you. That's why I got these muscles, and yeah.
Okay, thank you for confirming. Okay, so that is a day in my life, according to fitness, and so I'm very, very fit. I'm almost getting a 6-pack.
And I like that gym you go to.
Yes, I also go to gym in town. But as you guys can see, I'm almost there. Confirm to the people I have a 6-pack. It is 4 packs already. We're just waiting for the
Yes.